Our first project on the list is a pine cone garland. To craft this charming decor, gather a bundle of pine cones, a long piece of twine, and a hot glue gun. Start by applying a dab of hot glue to the base of a pine cone, then press it onto the twine. Repeat this process, spacing the pine cones about 6 inches apart. Once it's dry, drape this rustic garland across your mantle or down the banister for a touch of woodland charm. Next up is the cinnamon stick candle. For this aromatic decor, you'll need a candle, cinnamon sticks, and twine. Begin by cutting the cinnamon sticks to the height of the candle. Then use the twine to tie them around the candle securely. The heat from the candle will release the sweet scent of cinnamon, filling your home with Christmas cheer. Third on the list is the wine cork reindeer. Gather a few wine corks, a hot glue gun, googly eyes, red pom-poms, and twigs. Start by gluing 2 corks together for the body, then add a third for the head. Attach the googly eyes and pom-pom for the nose. Lastly, insert twigs into the body cork for legs and the head cork for antlers. This cute little reindeer adds a whimsical touch to any Christmas setting. Our final project is the sheet music wreath. You'll need old sheet music, a wreath form, and a hot glue gun. Begin by rolling the sheet music into cones and gluing them onto the wreath form. Continue this process until the entire form is covered. This unique wreath sings the song of the season and is a perfect addition to your front door. Now, to summarize, the pine cone garland brings a touch of the outdoors inside with its rustic charm. The cinnamon stick candle not only adds visual appeal, but also fills your home with a warming aroma. The wine cork reindeer is a fun and playful decor piece that's sure to bring a smile. Lastly, the sheet music wreath is a unique twist on the traditional wreath, adding a musical touch to your holiday decor. So there you have it. 4 quick and easy DIY Christmas home decor ideas that you can create in under 10 minutes. Each one adds a unique touch to your home, making it cozy and festive for the holiday season. Remember, the joy of Christmas isn't just in the receiving, but also in the creating. Happy crafting!